Hey guys, Praveen here, and I just created my first Figma sites page here. And first of all, it looks a lot like Framer, and yeah, let's just see how it is. Responsive by design, create web pages for multiple devices with breakpoints that stay in sync. Next, blocks. Start building with blocks. Quickly insert ready-made embeds, hero sections, full pages, and more. Okay. Try it with full site or use inline preview to check things out as you go, and get your settings in order, then publish to the web and share away. Okay, looks good. Let's just start with blocks, and I would like maybe a hero section, something like this. Okay, I can just copy, drag and drop it here, and okay, that looks good. Maybe okay, you can add custom things, and for tablet, okay, I'll stay with desktop and mobile for now. Hero section is done. Maybe I'll add a feature section, something like this. Okay, the drag and drop is very nice. We can add YouTube embed URL. Okay, that looks good. And we can create libraries for her. I can't wait to create like a website library. Maybe I can do Mina UI for this. Okay, I already have a lot of ideas. So yeah, blocks are very nice. They'll probably add like lots and lots of blocks. But what I like here is that it's just auto layout, and for here we can change the auto layout. Okay, so yeah, it's the same thing, but it's a different auto. It's the same card, but we can change it to different auto layout. What if we change a color or something? I'll make it red. Okay, it is updating everywhere. Why is this so? Yeah, if I update something, it's updating here. If I update it here, it's not going back here. Okay, I get it. That is very intuitive. And I'm seeing something here called relative. So something can be relative, absolute, fixed, or sticky. Okay, so that is the positions, but this is not in the actual Figma thing. Just Figma design. Figma design just has auto layout or like not auto layout. So this is new. I hope this comes back in Figma design, because this will be really helpful when I'm designing, because I know these terms in development and CSS, actual CSS, and yeah, it'll be easier to mind map from that to here. That's okay. They have a find in the sidebar for some reason as a new tab. Okay, and make is coming soon. Chat with AI or write code to make designs interactive. Okay, that's coming soon. CMS is coming soon. Create, manage site and content. Okay, let's go to site settings. Okay, we can add favicon. This looks exactly like Framer. Framer has the same thing, site description, language. Okay, this looks exactly like Framer. Even this too. Okay, the web pages, we can add titles to separate pages. Okay, I get it. This is probably documentation or libraries. Okay, I don't need any libraries. Interaction. Oh, okay. Let's see how this looks good. So this is normal HTML CSS, I'm assuming. Yep. And you can check on multiple devices. Okay, that looks amazing. Okay, let's publish and see. So the site title is example site number 42. Okay, let's publish and see. Publishing may take a few minutes. Feel free to continue working and check back later. Okay, let's see. Oh, that is done. Copy to clipboard. twicekit.hope.figma.site. That's great. No issues. Connect to domain. Let's see if connect to domain works. Okay, probably that works. So we now have site and domains. Okay, yeah, this is looking good. and it's a great start for like first version. And it looks mostly like a framer, especially this left section, not the right section. Looks like this looks like Figma, but this looks exactly like Framer, whatever they have. But this is a nice start, and I think if they keep on improving it for like years, they'll probably beat Framer in this niche, because this is what I said back when Figma was starting. I said they'll never dethrone Sketch, but obviously they have done that, and so I've learned not to question Figma. So they will probably dethrone Framer if they keep on investing in this, and getting better UX and maybe better pricing than Figma, because I am sure they'll charge for maybe the Figma sites will be free, but they'll charge for CMS, they'll charge for hosting, they'll charge for this make everything that is coming. So it'll be a little expensive, because as a developer I can just create an XJ site and host it in Vercel for free, for the most part. But in Framer it's a little bit expensive than that. So yeah, let's see how this goes. First initial impression is it looks very good, and yeah, maybe I'll wait for the next major release for this to actually use it. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.